What is the difference between range and xrange functions in Python 2.x? Apparently xrange is faster, but I have no idea why it's faster, and no proof besides the anecdotal so far that it is faster, or what besides that is different about it.
In Python 2.x, range creates a list, so if you do range 1, 10 million, it creates a list in memory with 9,999,999 elements. Xrange is a sequence object that evaluates lazily. In Python 3, range does the equivalent of Python 2's xrange. To get the list, you have to explicitly use list range ... Xrange no longer exists.
Range creates a list, so if you do range 1, 10 million, it creates a list in memory with 9,999,999 elements. Xrange is a sequence object that evaluates lazily. This is true, but in Python 3, range will be implemented by the Python 2 xrange. If you need to actually generate the list, you will need to do
Remember, use the timeLeap module to test which of small snippets of code is faster. Personally, I always use range, unless I were dealing with really huge lists. As you can see, time-wise, for a list of 1,000,000 entries, the extra overhead is only 0.04 seconds. And as Corey points out, in Python 3.0's range will go away and range will give you nice iterator behavior anyway.
Xrange only stores the range params and generates the numbers on demand. However, the C implementation of Python currently restricts its args to C longs. Note that in Python 3.0 there is only range and it behaves like the 2.x range but without the limitations on minimum and maximum endpoints.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.